Gramercy Adjustable Mandoline Food Slicer. The Gramercy Adjustable Mandoline Food Slicer is a must-have kitchen tool for fast and precise slicing. Featuring an adjustable blade, it allows you to create perfect slices in various thicknesses, from paper-thin to thick cuts. Made with durable stainless steel, it's built to handle fruits, vegetables, and more with ease. The non-slip base and ergonomic handle ensure safe and stable operation during use. A built-in handguard protects your fingers while slicing, offering added safety. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for any kitchen size. The slicer is easy to clean and dishwasher safe, making maintenance hassle-free. Ideal for salads, chips, or meal prep, it delivers professional quality results. Its sharp blade and versatile design save time and effort in the kitchen. Upgrade your food preparation with the Gramercy Adjustable Mandoline Food Slicer.